In 1963 is a peace memorial. This bright red pagoda stands tall with 5 wooden stories, reaching about 25 meters high. To reach it, you'll walk up 398 stone steps, surrounded by green maple trees and peaceful silence. In spring, soft pink cherry blossoms bloom along the path, turning the whole place into a fairy tale. In autumn, the leaves turn red and gold, wrapping the pagoda in warm, glowing colors. From the top, Mount Fuji rises in the distance, calm and snow-covered, like something out of a postcard. Visitors come here to take pictures, enjoy the fresh air, or just take a quiet moment to breathe.